Hey, what is up, guys? It is me, Laser Hunter, and today we're playing Sneak Thief again. And last time I said that we were gonna play the yacht. How? And this is the next time, so we're playing it today. Okay, so there's a guy right there. There's somebody on this side. Yep. Oh, they see me. How much do I need? 100,000. I'm just gonna. Okay. Not going around that way this time. Get the vase, get the tablet, get the watch. Okay. And we're out. Get all those weird paintings. Oh, there's a shotgun. Nice, getting all these $30 bottles of wine. No! No! I killed him. Come on, where's his gun? No, 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 no. I have 11 health. I'm not gonna be able to survive. No! Ugh. You know what? Let me see if I can just kill this guy again. No, I'm stuck again. Okay. Oh, there's... Somebody should come around from here. Oh, no. Guess not. I killed them. Yep, that's their name. Killed him. Oh, is there any more? I don't know how many guards are on here. There's nobody there. Oh, stuck again. That's one weird problem with this game. You get stuck on a lot of random things. Okay. Nobody there. Anybody here? Nope. I need to find the password. Oh, that's a lot of... Yep. Okay. No, I didn't mean to... Sorry about that, guys. My phone went off. I didn't take these weird paintings this time. I didn't take the wine either. For some reason, my gun disappeared, but I assume you're... Yep, you still work. Okay, so where is the password? Did the password just not... Oh, here it is. 8647. Okay, 8647. I gotta remember that. Oh, there's a lot of dead guys. Can I just get a real gun now? Nope, it still disappears. I love shooting air, whatever. Okay. No, I keep getting stuck. Okay, I assume the safe is in here, please. Oh, looks like there's a tripwire. Another one. Ooh, parkour. Okay. No, okay. Eight, 6, 4, 7. Ooh, baby. Taking all those gold bars. Don't die, ho. Now all I gotta do, assuming that there's no guards left, is successfully make it onto that little tiny ship. And, I escaped with that number in 3 minutes and whatever seconds. Okay, so the only level I have not done now is the diamond heist, and we'll try that. As soon as it loads. There we go. Okay, can I just... what's over here? Oh, no, no, no. Hello? Oh, no. Okay. I'm going around here. Is there anything... oh! Ooh, that's gonna come in handy. Is there anything up here? Oh, can I? Oh, yes, I can. I am sneaking like a thief. Some people would say that I'm a sneak thief. Oh, no, no. Oh! I have 27 health left. I'm gonna keep this silenced pistol. Oh, that was close. That was close. That was a close one. Oh, almost missed that tripwire. Taking all these gold bars. Oh, more back there. Hey, what's in here? Oh, there. Nothing. Okay. Well, I'm going up here where I killed this dude. And a lot of blood. You know, that stuff. More gold. Fragile boxes. Ooh. Here, wait, what's in here? Oh! Stapler. Okay, I'm gonna go out. Go out. I don't know what the front entrance is. That's not it. Is it here? Is this it? Oh, yes. Where's the... don't see it. Should really pay more attention next time. Okay, now I gotta find the passcode for that door. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave this episode here. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. And I will see everybody, hopefully, in the next episode. Peace out.